All right, guys, so today we're going to find out, is Funnel Freedom by Jonathan Montoya, is it worth it? We're also going to find out how to sign up for Funnel Freedom by Jonathan Montoya. All right, so I want you to stick around completely to the end of this video. I got a few bonuses that I want to talk about. So if you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing and you are a beginner, so what I've been hearing online is that Jonathan Montoya's Funnel Freedom is one of the best ways to get started as a beginner affiliate marketer. I want to go ahead and sign up for myself, and then we're going to take a look into the software so you can kind of make a decision on whether or not Funnel Freedom is worth it for you. All right, guys, so here we are on funnelfreedom.io, and as you see here, it tells you high ticket affiliate marketing will never be the same with this automated tool. As you see here, you have a 14-day free trial, but before we sign up there, let's just take a look at a few things that this software or platform has to offer. So step number one is a copy and paste 7-figure automated system that you'll have set up in minutes. This means no building funnels or writing emails or having to create YouTube videos, kind of like what I'm doing here. You're gonna get to leverage their system and you're gonna get all the credit. What's all the credit is you're gonna be the one making the commission. All right, so step number two, Jonathan and the team, what they've done is they created a free course that you're gonna be able to give that away as a lead magnet. So what's a lead magnet? They have an opt-in page that this software made already for you. It's already part of the system that all you're gonna have to worry about is getting traffic to that landing page or opt-in page. You're gonna collect their name and email, and in turn, you're gonna give away this free course that's gonna teach them how to start affiliate marketing. In fact, this course is so useful that you can actually go through it yourself and start learning the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. So you give away the free course and that helps you to build your email list. Now, that part I do not want you to overlook, which is your email list. Let's just take a look at this here. So if you take a look here, and this is just kind of rule of thumb, it says here, according to one report, email generates $36 for every $1 you spend in building it. That's a 3,500% return on your investment. Now, as it says here, what other asset can you use in your business to get that kind of return? Let's just take another look here. If you see here, it says having an email list affects your bottom line. Did you know that email order rates are 3 times higher on email versus social media? In plain words, that's triple the sales. Not to mention, marketing experts estimate that every name in your email list is equal to about $1 of revenue per month. Let that sink in. $1 per every subscriber per month. Let's just say that they're off by 50% and it's 50 cents per subscriber. If you have an email list of 3,000, well, then you're collecting 1,500 per month passively just by that email list. So building an email list is very powerful, and this software is going to help you to do that. Build your email list. All right, so now that we got that part out of the way, let's go ahead and sign up for Funnel Freedom. Let's go ahead and just hit here, get the 14-day trial. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and sign up, and then I'm gonna catch you in the inside. That took me actually less than 2 minutes to complete. And as you see here now, my account has been created. All right, so now that I signed up, I have my account created. All right, guys, so that was pretty straightforward. I got an email with my username and password. All right, so let's just go ahead and sign in. All right, guys, so now we are completely signed in, and this is what the affiliate dashboard is gonna look like. We're inside of Funnel Freedom and we're looking at the dashboard. Let's just find out a little bit more about what this software can do. So basically, Jonathan, what he did was he signed up his dad, Chris Montoya. He signed up for the free trial, the 14-day trial. What they did was he started doing solo ads, and they drove traffic to his affiliate offer or the opt-in page where he collected contacts. And let's just take a look at what happened. All right, so as you can see there, he made $615. Now, the cool thing about this is that's just not all he's gonna get paid on that first sale. This is actually a 3-pay. So that means that the person that signed up chose to do it in installments, and he's actually gonna get this 2 more times.
Now this was a 3-pay, so meaning this is actually gonna be a lot more when that customer rebills the next month.
All right, so let's just take a look over there. These are some of the things that's included inside of Funnel Freedom.
It has a done-for-you white label course, an opt-in page, and a bridge page. That way you can give out as your own.
All right, guys, so you're basically taking a bird's eye view of what this business in a box basically is, right? So if you look at this diagram, all you're gonna basically have to worry about is this portion here, which is getting traffic, building traffic, whether it's through Pinterest, YouTube, Facebook, email list, TikTok, solo ads, which we're going to talk about later, which is actually how Jonathan's dad did this, right? So we're going to try to replicate that. What you do and all you have to worry about is getting traffic over to the opt-in page, which is already built for you. The cool thing about this is that once you get that, you're going to give out that free course, like I mentioned earlier, and you're going to collect the name and email address of that lead. They're going to go over to a bridge page where you're going to talk a little bit more about yourself, which this page is already built. You just have to kind of put in your personal information and make it more about a story about you. From there, it's going to have a call to action, which is going to take them over to Jonathan's main offer, at which time some people will take that offer and they'll buy, many others won't, right? It's the first time that they're seeing you. This is a new offer. A lot of people won't buy that first time around. But here's the cool thing. So because you collected their email address, that's going to take them over to your email list, which is already built into the system. What's going to happen is they built a series of emails, which basically covers a year worth of emails, where they're going to start emailing and sending emails to those leads that you collected here on that opt-in page, right? So as you see here, they get a welcome email, giving them the lead magnet that you promised. Then it's going to go over to an offer of the 72-hour challenge. Then it's going to give some value on why he wanted to get out of his 9-to-5 job. And these emails are just going to continue and just continue and continue for 1 year. So just imagine that. You're just going to keep pounding with value and jab, 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 right hook, where you're going to be now promoting 14 different programs to the people that you just collected on your list. All right, so in the back office, all you're gonna be doing is you're gonna change the information in this back office. And what's that gonna do is it's gonna populate your affiliate link, your social media accounts, your YouTube channel, your Instagram account, all that, your email. It's gonna populate it throughout all those emails that I showed you earlier. And like I said, your affiliate link is going to be automatically populated in the 14 products that you're going to be promoting. All right, so if you just take a look here, here's some of the 14 products that you're going to be promoting, and these are all built into the system. So you got Jonathan Montoya's 72-hour Freedom Challenge, you got Freedom Accelerator, you got Freedom Accelerator. These two are basically the same. They just, one's going to the direct checkout. You got Funnel Freedom, which is actually this software, which if they sign up for this software, so maybe they're looking to get off of ClickFunnels and Aweber and Active Campaign, so they sign up for this, you're gonna be making recurring income every month if they sign up. You got Legendary Marketer, you got Secret of Success. Now this is a new promotion, this is a new affiliate product which is very hot right now. So this is gonna be marketed to those same people, which because it's so hot, people like to get on what's new, what's hot. So this is also a very good chance to make commissions. You got Wealth Warriors, which is Daniel and Nate. They're doing a very good job over there. So you're able to promote their product as well. Then you got System.io. This is like a funnel builder, similar to this, not as powerful, but they have a free version where a lot of people looking to get away from ClickFunnels and Aweber and all those other ones, they start out with the free System.io account. Later, they may upgrade, and if they upgrade, you get the commission. Down below, you have Get Response. You have InVideo. InVideo is a video making software. A lot of people use it to make faceless YouTube channels. It's a very powerful little tool, time saving, and basically spits out videos very quickly. I have an account with InVideo, so that's something that people may want to check out. You have Vizia, and then you also have TubeBuddy, and I missed this one, is vidIQ. Now vidIQ, I use it for every video before I make a video. It's something that's very, I have to use it. If you want to check that out, I'm actually going to leave a link below, just because I do, and I really believe in vidIQ. But that's another one of the things that you can promote. This is very important. So the idea of this whole system is all you're going to be worrying about is trying to get traffic to get beginners, people looking to start affiliate marketing. You're going to try to get them to get to your opt-in page where you're going to offer them this free course in exchange for their name and email. That is basically your entire goal in using this system when you're starting out as a beginner. Everything else that we might see is going to be maybe a little bit past you. There's one more step that I'm going to show you, which is what I'm going to be trying to do to replicate what Jonathan's dad did.
Ordered a solo ad. Now, if you've never heard of it.
All right, so what he's talking about here, a solo ad, is where they have platforms like Udemy, and that's the platform I'm going to be using. I'm going to leave a link below as well. What that is, you're going to go there and you're going to find sellers that has their own big massive email list and they're selling clicks. So in other words, you sign up, you may sign up for, let's say, 100 clicks. They're going to send your link to their list, and hopefully their list is going to open up those links. They're going to click on yours, and you're going to have a certain portion of those people are going to opt into your offer or your opt-in page, which is going to now trigger the sequences where they're going to start to receive the emails. And this is going to continue, like I said, for 1 year. Hopefully in that first initial sale as well, you may get a few people to sign up, or you may just get one, or you may get none. But the main part is you want to start building your email list, and that's going to be through solo ads. So let's just listen in a little bit more.
Okay, so what you do is you go to a website like Udemy, and I'm going to show you in just a second, and you can order clicks, you can order traffic to any link that you want.
In this example, this page is going to be changed to your picture. It's going to have your name on there, but this is the link, this page where you're going to want to send the traffic to. Basically, that's your only goal, is to send people to this page. All right, guys, so that is just a quick rundown and a quick review of Jonathan Montoya's Funnel Freedom. If you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing, this might be very exciting for you. I'm actually excited to get started. I'm going to run solo ads, kind of try to duplicate what Jonathan's dad did right there. So if you're considering getting started, please subscribe to the channel. I'm going to actually make a complete playlist where I'm going to just kind of go along as everything is playing out. Not in real time, but pretty much as things happen, I'll film a new video and just kind of keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so hopefully you were excited in what this has to offer. I do think that this might be one of the best ways to get started as a complete beginner if you're thinking about starting affiliate marketing. Like I said in the beginning, if you pay in full using the link below, I know that Jonathan has a special offer to where you get 2 1-hour Zoom calls to where they're gonna basically hold your hand and get everything set up. You actually don't need to do that because just taking a look at it and the videos I watched prior to this is actually pretty easy to get set up. If you're also an action taker, I also want to add in a special bonus from me. Like I mentioned before, I have 5 brand new Blue Yetis. One of those Blue Yetis will be yours. If you want to chat about it beforehand, have any questions, definitely will try to help you out. I've also left a link below to my Facebook group where you can head on over there. We can have just a quick chat, and then you can kind of decide if this is something you want to pursue, if you want to follow along. You know, either way, comment below, let me know your thoughts. And if you want to just come back and see how things are going, that's fine as well. All right, hopefully this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.